Eyewitness News on Fox Providence continues.
Tonight, Eyewitness News is getting results, helping fix a broken down law that could affect thousands of Rhode Islanders.
They dropped the ball, so the consumers are at risk.
It's a law that's supposed to protect consumers, but we've uncovered a major flaw, one that leaves you at risk the next time you buy a used car.
Now, because of our investigation, a new law is being introduced to fix that problem. Susan Hogan has that story only on Eyewitness News tonight.
Here's the deal. We have a law on the books that offers a great remedy if you happen to buy a used car that's problematic. And to enforce this law, you need regulations for dealers to follow. But if those regulations were never written, you basically have a law that's useless.
It happened to Alfred Barna from Warwick.
So it would have saved me a lot of aggravation.
He bought a used car that broke down 3 months later, but Alfred says the dealer never gave him any written notice of what his warranty covered or whether he had a warranty at all.
If you slip and fall or anything like that, there's plenty of lawyers out there. You have to pull teeth to get somebody to represent you over a warranty issue.
Alfred's not kidding. That's because the law that's supposed to protect him technically can't.
A big gaffe in the consumer protection for Rhode Island motor vehicle purchases.
That big gaffe right here in black and white under the Enforcement of Used Motor Vehicle Warranty Law. It says no dealer shall sell a used motor vehicle to a consumer without giving a written warranty.
If you buy a used motor vehicle, you're supposed to get certain notices of the warranties.
The law also states that the Department of Revenue must write the rules and regulations to implement the law.
Eyewitness News has learned that the Department of Revenue never wrote the rules. So why should you care? Well, if you have a problem with your used car, it may be a warranty issue. Technically, with no regulations to follow, the dealer may be off the hook.
Susan Hogan and Channel 12 have pointed out the failure of the Department of Revenue to adopt rules and regulations concerning used car warranties has put the consumer at risk.
As a result of our investigation, Representative Charlene Lima is taking immediate action to fix this broken law. Just last week, she submitted a bill that says whenever any law is enacted in Rhode Island, the state agency that is required to write the rules and regulations will have 90 days to do so. And the clerk of the House and Senate Oversight Committee will be required to make sure the deadline was actually met. We reached out to the Department of Revenue to find out why they never wrote the rules in this case. In a statement to Eyewitness News, the Department of Motor Vehicles, which falls under the Department of Revenue, says it will look to implement such a rule in the very near future.
Now, I asked Representative Lima how many other laws have been passed but haven't had rules or regulations written either. Her response, lawmakers would have no way of knowing until a consumer seeks relief and doesn't get any. I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.